Frick it.
My buddy just turned me onto these called MIG Pliers. Got like a little striker there. You can clean out the inside of the MIG. And apparently this is basically all you use it for. Oh yeah. Hey, those are goat skin, man.
You're moving up and going, did you not cut off the frickin' tips of those? Like a heathen.
I'm just gonna tack on another little guy just because this is moving too much, and I do not want this clamp to no longer sync up perfectly because that is a real bastard. So. Redoing the gas pedal. So if you have one of these cars, usually the gas pedal is like 6 inches further back. So what I just did is I bent the stock WRX gas pedal rod, and it actually broke, which is why it's was all flimsy. So what I'm gonna do is actually just weld a new one of these, cut this out, weld a new one, and yeah. went pretty well. It could have went a little bit better. I did a couple of silly things, like I just put that grip tape on while it was still probably around 200 degrees, and it kind of melted some of the grip tape off right there when I just twisted it out. But I mean, overall, this is looking pretty good. From the initial mock-up, I think we're in business. It's looking pretty sexy. Yeah. All right, well, let's see how the first drive goes. Temps are currently at 190. Wow. I'm very surprised. Successful first trip. Yeah, that's definitely the maybe the fastest accelerating car I think I've ever driven. Although I couldn't really get into it because something's wrong with the tune, so that was a little bit weird, which had me just worried mostly. And I was just worried, thinking, you know, what's going to go wrong with this thing. But overall, this thing is so much nicer than I thought. I thought this thing was so much more of a death trap, but it's actually because of the rear mid-engine. Even when it was stepping out, it was extremely predictable. I thought it was going to be way more snappy, but it's, you know, the weight is all really down there. I'm really worried about front grip because it only has 225s up there. But once we get the tune going on and then like get that figured out, so good, because you can feel everything with those Wilwood manual brakes, and I'm excited.